lab. Today we are going to do an experiment with this ping pong ball. Archie, do you think I can make this ball flow without touching it? No way, Jose. If I make the ball fly, you're going to give me a bath massage. Okay. Now I'm going to use a hair dryer. Archie, yeah, the magic begins. Yay. The trick is you have to put it from above and it'll drop and it'll kind of lift it up. If you put it from below, it'll bounce up and might knock out of the, you know. Well, this was a fun experiment. See you next time on Ila and Archie's lab. See you later, alligator. Bye. Archie, yeah? Don't forget. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.